Today I'm going to plant potatoes and some sweet corn, and I already have the rows marked. I marked them a few days ago, and it's cold out still, but I'm going to start planting. First, to plant the corn, I take a shovel and I dig it up and chop up the lumps. Now I'm gonna drag some dirt so I can place the seed. I plant 4 seeds, and I hope at least 3 come up. And then I drag the soil back over the seed. And pack it a little. Then I've got, 6 times? I've got 18, 7, or got 15 more. No, actually 17 more to do. Okay, I got the corn all planted and covered up, and I'm gonna water it. Get a little water on it, get the seed starting to swell. And here I got the potatoes, and I'll just cover that up. Okay, I got the corn and the potatoes put in the ground, and I watered all the corn hills, but I'll leave the potatoes because they don't need water right away. So I got that done. I'll probably plant some more potatoes this afternoon after lunch.